What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to install the solar motion activated light. As you see, this solar light is brand new. I bought this from Costco and I want to install that on the wall. First, you want to know where to install your solar and which way aim your solar so you have a most sun. As you see, I have a sun over there and I have to aim it in that way. So now it's cloudy, but if you check this one, already installed. So I installed that side and I aimed the solar to the west, so I can get the most sun during the day. So it's very simple to install the motion light. I'm sorry. To install the motion light, you have to take this one up and slide it in. So to take this, it's like a bracket. You have to install this bracket on the wall, on the brick, and then you have to just slide the light. You just pick the light out and just slide it. It's that easy. Came already with this anchor, so I'm gonna use the same anchors it was in the package, and just drill it and make a hole and install it. So to choose the drill bit, so you just get the anchors and put in front of each drill and go from the smaller size to the bigger size. So I'm gonna use this smaller drill bit, and after that I go big. I'm gonna hold the solar on the wall first. As you see, I'm just gonna put on the thin set or grout because I don't want to make a hole in the brick. You can put it in the grout or you can thin set, so it's much easier to drill. And I just gonna make a 2 hole is enough to hold the solar. I installed one already and I know it's enough. So what I did, I just hold it and I use the drill bit to make the mark on the thin set. I tried to use the pen or pencil, so it was hard, so I used the drill bit, a small drill bit, and I already marked it on the thin set. So if you see, one is here and one is over there, so I make a mark. So I'm gonna start draining the hole. Two screw, one here, one over there. So, and I believe that one is gonna hold the motion sensor. I already marked it too, and I made there a small hole. So I'm gonna go make it bigger, put the put the anchors, and after that install the bracket. And one thing you need to know, there is the battery inside the motion sensor, and that too has to be charged. So I will show you how to charge that. Make sure when you're sliding the light, you hear click, and you see here is all even. So you have to make sure it's secure and doesn't fall later. So we're gonna run this wire, and we have to put it in here. So we're gonna go around it, and like you see here, I just went around it, and I'm gonna connect that here. So that's the solar, and that's our motion sensor. When somebody passes, it's gonna detect and make the lights come on. This is all the manual, so you can turn it off and on or put on the auto. I'm gonna put this manual here, you can read it. As you see, I'm gonna put it on the off position and leave it for 72 hours, so 3 days, so to let the solar get enough sun and charge the battery inside the light. There's a battery inside the light and it has to be charged. And then after 3 days you can turn back that to the auto. And there is the other option, you can put that to the 30-second, 45 or 60-second. When somebody pass by, the lights come on. So we got enough energy from solar to the battery, and you can adjust the motion sensor the way you like. So I like to be to the right side, because I wonder if somebody come from the right side, so it detect that fast. And you can move all the light the way you like. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure subscribe the channel and hit that like button. That's gonna help me a lot. I appreciate. See you next.